that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebration.